Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your existing design in the Canva editor. Once your design loads up on the screen, you'll be working within the main editing interface where all your creative tools are available. Now, scroll below the current page until you see the page controls. These controls are located at the bottom of your canvas and give you quick access to manage all the pages within your design. This is where you'll find options to add, duplicate, or rearrange pages in your project. Next, click Add Page. This button is typically easy to spot and will instantly create a new page for you to work with. Adding pages is essential when you're creating multi-page documents like presentations, reports, or social media carousels and need more space to build out your content. After clicking, check that Canva has inserted a new blank page after the current page. You should see the new page appear right below your existing one in the page navigation area. Give it a moment to fully load, especially if you're working on a larger project with multiple elements. This new page will be completely blank and ready for you to customize however you like. Finally, click the new page to begin editing it. This will bring the new page into focus in your main editor, allowing you to start adding text, images, graphics, or any other elements you need. You can now design this page independently while keeping all your previous pages intact. And that's it, you've successfully added a new page to your Canva design, giving you more space to expand your creative project. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.